Hello light travelers, so today we're taking a look at the Naturehike Packable backpack. Today we're taking a look at the Naturehike NH17A012-B, otherwise better known as the Packable 18-litre day pack. The nice people at Banggood were kind enough to send me out a sample to review. The first thing you'll notice about this bag is that it's strikingly similar to the Matador Packable backpack. This one, however, is just a fraction of the price and still feels very well made. Speaking of the price, the bag is currently about 22 Australian dollars or 16 US dollars. This Naturehike bag has water-resistant zippers and a durable water-resistant nylon construction, and although the inner seams are not tape sealed, it is still very water-resistant. It also features two mesh bottle pockets on each side and an extra pocket on the front. The straps of this bag are made of a mesh material that make it more breathable and lightweight. They also make the bag very comfortable to wear even with a heavy load. The 18-litre capacity is also quite spacious too, and I could easily pack enough for a weekend in here or enough for a long hike. The only real downside of this bag is that the snow padding on the back, so you have to be careful about how you pack it in a way so that it's comfortable against your back. My only other real nitpick about this bag is that the zips are slightly firm, and they can get caught on the inner material if you're not careful about how you unzip it. But overall, I do like the water resistant zips, and the overall design is really nice. It's definitely going to replace my Sea to Summit day pack for sure, and may even become my daily commuting bag. I definitely recommend checking out this bag, especially if you're in the market for a new day pack. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what kind of packable day pack you use, or if you use one at all, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.